How to print your Bank of America statement from the payment center. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open any web browser. Then after, go to www.centersuite.com. This will take you to the login portal where you need to simply enter your user ID and password and then tap on log on. You may be asked to answer 3 of your security information questions. If so, you can answer them and click on continue. The payment center homepage will appear. Hover your cursor over the statements and click on account activity. Enter your name as it appears on the P card in the name on account field and select search. Your P card information will be displayed. Then click on details at the end of the displayed information and you may need to scroll to see it. Click on statements under account details and all of your statements will be shown. Click on the date icon for the statement you want to print and a message will ask, do you want to save or open your statement? Click on open and your Bank of America statement will be displayed. Click on the print icon in the top bar and looks like a printer. Click on print and if your statement is multiple pages, include all pages in your statement reconciliation packet, and then to exit this statement you need to click on the cross in the top right corner and this will return you to the Bank of America statements. Click on the logout icon next to your name in the upper right corner of the screen and this will return you to the payment center or the login screen. And to exit the payment center, click on the X in the upper right corner and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.